How to contact DoorDash support. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply go ahead and open DoorDash application in your mobile device. Once you open it, you'll have to make sure that you're logged into your DoorDash account. Now once you're logged in, you'll find this kind of interface in your screen. Now from here, you'll find a Me icon at the bottom right corner. Simply tap onto it. Now inside here, simply tap on Settings icon. And now inside Settings, you'll find an option that says Get Help. Simply tap onto that. And then you'll find a link that says FAQ page. Tap onto that link. Once you tap onto it, it will open up your browser named help.doordash.com. And once you are inside this page, you can go ahead and contact DoorDash customer service. Simply go ahead and select whether you are a dasher or a merchant, and then you'll be able to contact a DoorDash help support. Well, that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.